Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, I just want to give you a visual with this stitch. If some of you choose to make a scarf, a blanket, whatever you like to do, I will put in the description box below the video, I will put the link to this stitch. I have this stitch on Nati, so it's no use for me to show you the stitch. Yeah. For this scarf I chained 189 chains. If you want longer, then you're gonna chain 216 chains or more. You will see the stitch, you will know the multiples, and you will do like that, whatever, how long you want. Because when you put the scarf with 189 chains, when you put the scarf on you, it's gonna look like this. So if you like, if you like the look, the stitch is reversible. So you choose what to do. You might do a scarf, you might do a blanket, whatever you like to do. You can chain, put tassels here if you like, or you just leave it the way it is. But I think this scarf, it's one row repeat the stitch, so it's very easy for you to do, especially for you guys, the beginners. Yeah. And it's quite thick. Now depends how thick is your yarn. Maybe you will chain 189. If the yarn is not so thick, maybe 216, and you're gonna go for as wide as you like. Yeah. But I just want to show you, some of you, if you like to work with this this stitch for a scarf. So I started in the beginning with one row of single crochet, yeah? And then I finished with single crochet in each stitch. I think this stitch is multiples of 3, so it's very easy. If you like it like this, when you put the scarf on you with a long chain, or if you want, you can chain multiples of 3, depends how wide you want. And it's gonna look like this when you put the scarf on you. Yeah. Well, just an idea for a scarf, or a blanket, or a throw, or a lap blanket, whatever you like to do. Yeah. Okay, well, give it a try. You might like this stitch for a scarf, and it goes really fast because we work with the double crochets, and it's gonna build really fast. Yeah. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this stitch is worked with slip stitch and 2 double crochets. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you like the stitch and you give it a try. Thank you for watching.